Alright, so today we have been sent these fascinating TWS earphones from the Soulnation company. They are the new Soulnation Sync ANC earbuds. Now, we're not affiliated in any way, we will actually be testing these out and going into an in-depth review with them. But what really stands out about them just now is that they are just one of a handful of TWS earphones that provide an audio transparency mode. So for example, when you're wearing your Soulnation earbuds outside and you turn that transparency mode on, well, it should pick up and amplify certain noises such as traffic light signal beeps in order to keep you safe out and about while on the go. So yes, that's great to see, but we've also got an active noise cancelling mode too. They do have the latest Bluetooth 5.1 technology, as well as having up to 25 hours music playback time, which I'm guessing is through that charge case that's provided. As mentioned, we will be actually testing these earphones out over a certain amount of time with 100% volume being used, and as always we will report our findings at the end of this review. These Soulnation earbuds are specified as having IPX4 waterproof protection, so that means they'll be great to use in light rain or in sweaty circumstances like working out. And what's already great is that we also see that we've got that Type-C fast charging that will be included. So yes, we've got a handy contents list to the rear. Everything seems fairly impressive so far, very well presented in fact, with a nice magnetic seal while opening up the box. Very satisfying. Now inside we have a very nice presentation too. Good attention to detail again, looking quite premium. Not only that, but the packaging is also 100% recyclable. That's great to see. Hey, and check this out, we've got some nice motivational messages that are scattered around the box. Like for example, keep flowing, keep hustling, keep moving, followed by a positive note saying, every soul has a story. The heart of an act, the reason why. It propels every person. The running, leaping and dancing is behind every entrepreneur, artist, musician, dancer and athlete. The striving, perseverance and overcoming, it gets you up early and keeps you up late. It's the voice in your head that says, keep going. Yeah, and you can simply keep going by checking out the Soulnation websites on various social media platforms. For example, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter or Pinterest. Or why not take a second to go ahead and scan this QR code on the screen just now. Go on, I'll give you a sec. Okay, you got it? Cool. Let's go ahead and let's open it up. Okay, again, we've got attention to detail. Everything comes very well protected. We have the charge case which is embedded to the middle. Got the earphones sitting just to the top of that charge case. And to the bottom, we've got an accessory box. Inside that box, we have two sets of spare silicone ear tips, one size large, one size small, with a very small but durable Type-C charge cable, a detailed user manual, and a high-quality carabiner clip, which attaches to the end of the charge case just like so. It's quite brilliant to see that everything is branded too. It can indeed be attached to your belt bag or keyring, so for example, myself, on occasion, I've actually left my charge case in work at the end of a shift, and I certainly feel that this free clip is a helpful provided aid. Well thought of in fact. Now that 480 mAh charge case has a nice durable feel about it. Definitely got a good grip while on flat surfaces. What's also good is that we've got that Soul brand that's embedded on almost every product. Even on the earphones too. So no, it's not like those cheap Chinese products that you will buy off one website. I think you will see on another website that it goes by a different branded name. No. These earphones have a designated Soulnation brand. To the rear of that charge case, we've got that Type-C charge port. We've got an LED charge indication light which should illuminate in white to indicate charging, and opening up the lid, it is indeed magnetic. Inside we can see that we've got those deep embedded charge sockets with those dual charge pins, and although this charge case has a slightly bigger battery that's offered compared to a lot of other compact TWS earphones, it still actually remains quite compact. That doesn't seem too bulky, especially when it's in your pocket. Looking to the earbuds do have a matte black finish with a black stainless steel look to the sides. Them stems that are pointing downwards are not too protruding, again looking quite compact with a nice ergonomic design. At the point at which these earphones sit within your ears, they don't look too narrow or too deep in fact, so it will be interesting to see how they will fit within our ears over a few hours using them. This is where the provided spare silicone ear tips come into play and will help with this aspect, as remember, the correct size ear tips for your ears is very important, as it will not only help with passive noise cancellation, but it will help improve the overall audio clarity. Yeah, we do have microphones that are built in, as well as LED indication lights, which will by the way go off when music is playing. And well, what we are going to do is test them out for ourselves. So first, let's place these earphones within the charge case. Let's take them back out. They will indeed automatically go into pairing mode. And using our device, we are going to select Soulnation Sync ANC. We should get a nice little pop-up confirmation. We're going to press OK. And now, yes, we are fully set up with an earphone battery percentage level being displayed on screen too. Initially, placing these earbuds within our ears, they did definitely feel quite comfortable. They felt locked in fact, very sturdy, but I got to admit over the past 2 days using them, after being physical, they did fall out 2 or 3 times. Now swapping out those ear tips did actually help with this aspect. But when it comes to the audio, well, this was the real joy, because when using these Soulnation earphones in normal mode, the volume is definitely high, providing crisp sounding audio. It is packed with smooth flowing bass, not too over the top, and doesn't wash out any of the other audio levels. We did welcome well levelled midtones, with the treble and high tones providing a real nice punch. That I may add, sound absolutely awesome with different genres of music. In addition, we also get those added crystal sounding glows, and overall the audio clarity is nice and pristine. Now the active noise cancellation, when it's switched on, it does work very well, although I may add that passive noise cancellation already sounds good. When it's fully switched on, the sound is completely locked out from the outside world when the volume is at around 50%. Audio transparency, another good mode which you mentioned at the beginning of this review, is fantastic at pinpointing certain noises. So for example, within our household, we did test it on our smoke alarm, and yes, these earphones picked up the smoke alarm nice and clear, even when music was playing at around 70 to 80% volume. Again, keeping you very safe in certain circumstances. Okay, because there are so many functions to be had with these earphones, each earphone is assigned a particular function. You will undoubtedly need to focus and have a little read of the user manual so to take all the controls in. Nevertheless, they are very responsive touch controls, and you do indeed get all function controls. So for example, you got volume control, previous and next track selection, voice assist, mode selection, play, pause, call answering. And yes, when it comes to call answering, voice clarity is very pristine, and you don't get any of those random disconnections thanks to that Bluetooth 5.1 technology. Which again, I may add, we got around 15 meters outside before that Bluetooth signal cut off. Now indoors, obviously because you got obstacles being in the way like walls etc, we did get to around 10 to 11 meters, but that is to be expected when having stud walls. For long use, these earphones, because they have good audio levels, well, you can continuously use them over 5 hours with comfort. Out of a full charge, we did in fact test these earphones with 100% volume, and in fact got 5 hours 26 minutes out of a full charge, which is fantastic. Which I may add, for a full recharge only took 1 hour 32 minutes. So not bad, full recharge 1 hour 32 minutes, with 3 extra full recharges while on the go while using that charge case. Overall, I do think that these Soulnation Sync earphones excel quality over everything. They have superb audio clarity, fantastic responsive functions, with everything you can think of added to this package. Not only that, like I mentioned, you get that waterproof IPX4 waterproof protection, and well today, we are going to give these earphones a big 9 out of 10. Now I gave it a 9 as I mentioned, because yes, they did fall out now and again. They are however comfortable enough to wear for long use though, and they certainly have a unique look about them, which I'm going to put them right up with some of the best earphones I've actually tested. And yes, today I can definitely recommend them. Now again, I'm not affiliated in any way. You can go and check them out in the video description down below. All the available links will be provided. So go ahead, check them out, check out the specifications for yourself. And if you like what you see, well, why not go get yours? While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much if you smash that like button. Please subscribe to this channel today, very much appreciate it. To keep in mind to hit that bell notification option, so you guys stay updated upon our new uploads. Now, I hope this review helped today. It was absolutely a joy to review these earphones over the past 2 days, and I hope to be doing some more tech reviews coming real soon. So as usual, please stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!